The Freedom Attachment Skid Steer Disc Mulcher is a heavy-duty attachment built for land and forestry management professionals. This attachment has a deck thickness of 3/8 inch and a cutting capacity of up to 14 inches. The FADM disc mulcher comes in a 48-inch model weighing 2,100 pounds and a 60-inch model weighing 2,700 pounds. The 48-inch model comes with 26 2-inch 4-point hardened steel teeth. The flow range options for this model are 17 to 27 gallons per minute, 28 to 38 gallons per minute, and 39 to 45 gallons per minute. The 60-inch model comes with 39 2-inch 4-point hardened steel teeth. The flow range for this model is 30 to 45 gallons per minute. To learn more about Freedom Attachments and our skid steer disc mulcher, visit our website at freedomattachments.com or feel free to call us at 336-645-7684. If you're interested in becoming a dealer of these high-quality American-made attachments, feel free to call us or email us at sales@freedomattachments.com.